guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do this meeting my younger self filter trend on TikTok. Okay, so for that, if you're looking for filter here in TikTok, you will not get this effect here because this is a third-party template called CapCut. So go to your app store and Play Store and download this app, CapCut. Once you have CapCut, what you can do, you need the template, so you can go to my profile. Okay, in my profile on the top you will see this CapCut template playlist. Okay, go to the first video and here on the bottom left corner of the video you will see this CapCut try this template. Just tap there. Okay, now tap on use template in CapCut. Okay, here tap on use template. Okay, I need to browse a picture from camera roll. Okay, let me go with this one. Hit next. Okay, and that's it. Now you can tap on export and you can share it to your TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can join this trend on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.